A security startup called Verkada just was hacked and exposes 150,000 security cameras in Tesla factories, in jails, in gyms, and more. So Verkada is a Silicon Valley security startup that provides cloud-based security camera services and suffered a major security breach. Hackers, they gained access to 150,000 of the company's cameras from the cameras are located in Tesla factories and warehouses, Cloudflare offices, Equinox gyms, hospitals, jails, schools, police stations, everything else. According to one of the members of the International Hacker Collective, they said the hack was meant to show how commonplace the company's security cameras are, how easily they can be hacked. And they said not only can they be hacked for the live feed, but also they got access to the full archive of videos, all of the previous, access to everything that's been saved. And that's a really big deal. So Verkada came out, they said that they've disabled all internal administrator accounts to prevent unauthorized access. Their internal security team, external security firm are investigating the scale and scope of the issue, working on upping their security to prevent this from happening again. Hackers said it was pretty easy to do this. They just gained super admin level access to the entire system. They found it using a username and password they've found publicly on the internet. So company needs to step up. When you have security cameras, that's something that should be at the highest level. That should be something that can't be hacked. Imagine gyms. It could be for bathrooms even. Gyms and offices, Tesla factories. You need to make sure those are secure. The whole point of security camera is to be able to make sure you can protect yourself against people maybe being in places they aren't supposed to be. So if those can be hacked easily, that brings it to a whole new level that just completely destroys the whole purpose of getting them in the first place. If you're working on a secret project, yes, they still help, know where people are, but those should be something that have very, very strict protocols in place where people can't hack them so easily. 150,000 cameras, that is absolutely insane. Jails, to have access to cameras in jail, that shouldn't be able to happen. So good they're working on this. Be interesting to see what happens, what new security updates they come out with to prevent this from happening again. But I'll be interested. I'll keep you guys updated on what happens there.